What's up, y'all? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the all-black PS5 controller and just doing a quick comparison between that and the one that you get with it. Again, I just do this for fun. This isn't a professional video, but I hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's get to it. Okay, this is the original white controller that comes with the PS5. If you haven't seen it, there's a million videos on this. You can even probably go into your Best Buy, Target, Walmart, whatever is near you, and take a look at it. Pretty self-explanatory. And then here is the black PS5 controller. There's no difference between this and if you buy an extra controller. The box is literally the same, everything minus just the black controller on the front. So let's go ahead and open this up. There was a tape here. I took it off already because I recorded this live and I was just messing up getting tape off. So let's go ahead and. Okay, I'll place this here. That was my cat. If you heard that, I don't know. Okay. And not really concerned with what's in the box, but I can say that they do not include the USB Type-C to charge it, which is kind of disappointing for a $70 controller, but it is what it is. Companies are being cheaper and cheaper and charging more nowadays to make more of a profit. That is what it is. And first impressions of the controller as soon as I take it out is wow. I was always wondering when they released the system, why would they release a white system with black accent? Because that attracts dirt. You know, especially when all the PlayStations were literally black from the first one to the second one to the third one, then they decided to change it. So here is a close-up of the remote. Again, there's no difference between this remote and the white one or the red one with the black accent. They're exactly the same minus the color scheme. So it's just a blacked out PS5 controller, obviously. Let's take a look at the difference. And immediately I'm going to tell you that the black looks amazing. This is a really short video, and that's all the video is going to be. I'm not really sure how some of these guys have 10-15 minute videos on talking about this controller. It's the same exact controller minus it being black. There's no updates to it. There's nothing that differentiates it from this one. They're literally the same exact controller, except this is black. So the same thing with the red and black one. It just depends on what you prefer. You know, I know they have a lot of things on Amazon as such where you can get overlays for this, overlays on your PS5, which is fine. I would assume it's a sticker. I haven't tried it, but common sense would tell me it's a sticker. But me, this black one is what I've been waiting on because I like everything just black. It has nothing to do with it. I just like blacked out everything. You know, minus my truck. My truck is lifting the stuff and it's white, obviously, with black rims. But other than that, when it comes to technology stuff, black. You know, that's why I even love the JBL Charge 5. I got the all black one. It's a great speaker, very big upgrade on over the Charge 4. But that's another video if I decide to. Again, I'm not an expert at this. So anyway, you guys, that's it. My unboxing on the black PS5 controller, and hopefully you guys liked it. Peace.